I understand that everyone stands up here and says that they're marrying their best friend, but I really do mean it. You're the funnest and funniest person in my life, and I hope that we continue to laugh our way around different cities, counting steps, coffees and cocktails until we're old and grey. My final vow is to love you forever.
I'll probably never do so. She was beautiful though. I think it's time for me and you